AccuCold refrigerator model ARS6PVVT65MLSTACKMED2 error codes. AccuCold 24-inch counter-depth freestanding refrigerator with 9.2-inch total capacity, 2 cubic feet freezer capacity, 4-wire shelves, with door lock, right hinge, automatic defrost, CFC-free, eco-friendly refrigerant, automatic defrost, manual defrost, LED light, high-temperature alarm. Error codes. Code. Ha. Reason. Maximum temperature alarm. This alarm is adjustable. To change the values, it is necessary to enter the hidden menu and change the parameters. Code. LA. Reason. Minimum temperature alarm. This alarm is adjustable. To change the values, it is necessary to enter the hidden menu and change the parameters. Code. DA. Reason. Door alarm. If the door stays open for more than 3 minutes, an audible and visual alarm will go off on the thermostat. Code. P1. Reason. Ambient probe failure. Call the service. Code. P2. Reason. Evaporator probe failure. Call the service.